In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell your first digital product on Gumroad. My name is Khalid and I make easy to follow step-by-step tutorials. From Gumroad's home screen, go to Start Selling and then it will ask you to log in. So you can use a Google account or enter the email and create a password from here to create an account. So I'm going to use my Google account. Just click on Google, choose the account you want to log in with. I will use the account that I haven't used before. Also, a tip for you here, if you are starting a new business for this, it helps if you make a new Google account only for this business so that it does not mix with your personal stuff. Then from here, from the home screen, just go to Products. From here you upload a new product. So just click on New Product. And then here you set the price and you name it. So for me, let's say I have a product called Texture Pack. And here you set the price. Let's say I want it for $4. You choose the currency from here also. You choose which type of product it is, digital, course, whatever. Then next. Then you go to the product page where you have the name that you've already written. You write a small description for your product. And here you choose the URL, what shows right here when someone clicks on it. Now, Gumroad just chose something random for me, but I can just rename it to Texture Pack, for example, something relevant to what I am selling. Here you just upload an image from your PC or external links. You can link a YouTube video or something else if you want. So for example, let's say I'm using this one. And then you upload the thumbnail. So the thumbnail is what people see when they see your product in the products list. And the cover image is what they see when they enter. So click on this preview to just see how it looks for the customer if they click on your product. It will open a new tab for you where you can check it out. Now it is empty because we haven't added anything yet. Next, after I have uploaded the images that I want, you choose what is written on the call to action button, which is like, I want this, buy this, pay, whatever. Let's say I want this. And then you just put on a little summary. And then from here, you can add a little details about the package. For example, my package has a PNG file. So I can write something like PNG files. These options are not important for beginners. They are for in case you have a Gumroad community account or a Discord server. Here you set the price again. Just make sure the price is set correctly. Then here, if you have different versions from your product, you upload them right here. For example, I'm uploading a texture pack which has about 26 textures in it. So I can put a version which is, for example, free with 5 textures in it. And then if you want the full amount, then pay $5 or $4. So this depends on you. These are not that important. And this is where you add custom domain if you have one. So I will make another video about the custom domain because I have already a custom domain that I am planning to add. After that, you go to the top. You click on Save and Continue. From here, you upload the file that you want to sell. So since I'm uploading from my PC, I'll click on Computer File. Just make sure the file is zipped already because you have to compress it before you upload it. Just click on it, it will upload to Gumroad. After your file has been uploaded, just click on Save Changes. And then you can move on to this one, Receipt. You can write custom text on the button and a custom message also right here. If you are done, just click publish and continue. Now you see I had an error here. You must connect at least one payment method. To fix this, then you go to settings, payments, and you proceed to add your details. So then you get to this page where you choose if you're uploading your bank account details or PayPal details. So you have to check the settings and the requirements if you're if you are using a bank account, because there are issues with the transfers and some requirements for that. The easiest option is PayPal. Just add in your details, PayPal email, first name and last name as per the PayPal account, and all of the rest of the details. Now, let me just tell you one issue that I faced when I was trying to add my PayPal account, which was after I added all the details and filled all the fields, and then tried to click on update settings, nothing happened and it did not update. And I tried to search all over the internet for a solution for this, but I could not find one until I was just frustrated and I tried something and it really worked. I don't know how, but it worked. So what I did is, before I did anything, I just clicked immediately on update settings. So here you see it says please enter your full name, number, and so and so. So it shows you all the fields that need to be filled. So this way you know the required fields only, and you don't fill extra stuff that you don't need, because I think that extra fields that I filled glitched it out for me. So what you can do is add in the email that you want and then click on update settings again, and again it will show you the required fields, and so on until one time you click on it like I did and it just worked for me. For example, let me show you this on my other account. This is the one I'm using. So this is the product that I have already uploaded. It's called the Easy Edit Lab Texture Pack. As you can see, it is already published. If you click on it, here are the details. So as I told you, the name, the description, the images, and whatever. So when you click on preview, it shows you the things. So for example, I listed it for $5. Here are the images that you upload where the cover place is. I've uploaded 4 images. And this is the button I chose with the text and then my description. By the way, if you want to take your Photopea skills further, I put together a free guide. It's packed with tips, shortcuts, and highly recommended sites, and most of them are completely free. I also included direct links to every site in the guide so you can check them out easily. Just click the link in the description to grab the free guide. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.